to you. Hi guys, so today I am doing a completely different type of video. I am actually on my way right now to go surprise one of my subscribers for her 12th birthday. Her mom reached out to me because she found out that I lived in North Carolina, and she was like, would you come and surprise Annie for her birthday? And I was like, oh my gosh, yes. She told me she watches my videos all the time, and I'm just so excited to go surprise her. She is the cutest thing ever. So we are on our way right now to go do that. So I'm gonna have my sister film the whole thing and get her reaction when I walk in the room. So basically the idea is that they're gonna be watching one of my videos, like her and all of her friends. They're gonna have one of my videos playing, and I'm just gonna walk in, and I don't know what I want to say yet, so we'll see what I come up with. But you know, I'm just gonna walk in and surprise them. I hope she's excited. I hope this is like a fun party for her. So basically what I'm gonna do is give her a makeover and do her hair and stuff, and she's gonna do a whole outfit change and everything. So it's gonna be a fun day with her and all of her friends. So yeah, I'm gonna have my sister film the whole thing. So let's get going, and I will see you guys at the surprise party. Okay guys, so we just pulled up to Annie's house. Her mom just texted me. They're about to pull up my channel and watch a couple of my videos, and then I'm just gonna walk in. I think I'm gonna say something like, what are y'all watching? I don't know. So I got her little birthday present. I hope she likes it. Her mom told me she loves unicorns, so I got her unicorn everything in here. We're just waiting on her mom to text me right now. I think I'm like more nervous than her. I'm just so nervous. I don't know how she's gonna react. I don't know. Do you think she's gonna be excited, or do you think she's gonna be like, like, I'm too
I
cool?
think she'll be excited.
I know. I hope so. I'm sweating.
Oh my god.
I am. I'm just like nervous. I've never like surprised someone before. My voice gets really high when I'm excited, so I'm gonna be like, happy birthday! Oh, I'm nervous. Let me practice. Maybe I should practice. I'm gonna walk in. I'm gonna be like, what are you guys watching? And they're gonna, like, I don't know. You know, some little girls, they're like, ah! And then some girls are just like, who is this old lady? Happy birthday to you.
Hello, I'm Annie's dad. They're watching you right now.
Oh,
Yeah? So perfect timing? Yeah?
Hi.
Hello.
You're like, who is this girl? Party? Okay, cool. So I got you a present, and then we're also gonna give you a little makeover today. Yeah. Yeah. We're gonna do your hair and makeup. Is that exciting?
Yeah, we are watching you on the TV.
Oh,
Look at Remy, how cute she looks today.
yeah. And you guys are all ballerinas? You guys are ballerinas?
How about
Hey, you're a ballerina.
Can y'all teach me some moves? Maybe. Teach me some moves. All I know is
Only
how to,
if you
do
be
little
nice
twirls.
So you're gonna do her hair?
Yes, I'm gonna do her hair. What's your name?
Tell her.
Salem.
Sayla?
Yeah.
You're cute. I like your dress. You're a little fashionista. We're gonna be best friends, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and give you your present. Your mom told me you like unicorns, right? Girl, I got you unicorn everything. Wow. Okay, so here you go. Alright, so we're gonna have a seat in this beauty chair. we're gonna give you the full glam treatment.
And I'm going to bring her makeup kits in from the decorated table in the front.
Perfect. Yeah, and my
Yeah, like
sister's
we're
carrying,
on the
like, I
girls'
brought so much makeup. So you're gonna have to tell me what you want me to do. Are you nervous? Sure. Little? Don't be nervous. Let's all just like shake it out real quick. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, no need to be nervous. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna do some girly stuff today.
I'm nervous.
You're nervous?
I'm ready.
You're the least nervous here.
I'm the least nervous. No, I'm the least. No, I think Salem.
Okay, so can you do me a favor and turn around? So I'm gonna spray your hair with this. You guys, do we like her hair?
Yeah.
Oh!
Beautiful. I love it.
Yes.
When is it?
Do you want to see any? So this is the hair.
You like it?
You look like a Barbie doll. I love it.
Refill. Snap, snap.
Does she look adorable? Look at that.
I want to see
You want to say hi to my camera?
Hi. Ooh la la.
She looks like a princess, right?
Yes, princess.
Yes.
Princess Annie.
So Annie's going to open her gift from Remy. So let's thank them for coming.
Thanks
Woo!
for having me.
Yay! So fun.
I'm so happy to be here. I hope you like it. Wow.
Of course,
Makeup. Woohoo! Awesome. Thank you.
You are so welcome. Happy birthday. Thank you for letting me a part of it.
So thankful
I
that
had
you
so
could
many